All right, good morning, everyone. It's time for reading groups. So again, here's your, well, Miss Asma can put these up when the video's over, but Dragonflies, you're doing reading comprehension, which should be a story about dolphins. You can answer the questions, all right? Read the text and answer some questions. All right, I do not mind. Actually, I think you'll need to do those sitting at your desk. Ants, you're doing the spelling activity, and here is your work. So first you're going to write out your words like you always do. You can do that on your homework sheet if you like, or in your homework book, in your spelling book rather. Second, you're going to create 3 icons or drawings for for 3 of your spelling words. So just a small drawing to illustrate what that spelling word means, all right? And then 4 pyramids for 4 different words. Don't do the same ones that you've done already. And then look up one word in the dictionary and write out its definition, all right? And then when you're done, of course, you can always read. Read to self and reading response. Butterflies, you guys know what to do. Bees, you know what to do with handwriting. All right? And in a little bit, we'll get ready to do English. All right, but for right now, that's what you're going to do for your reading groups. Miss Asma will pass everything out. Please help her, those of you who are supposed to be helpers. And everybody needs to focus and get your work done, okay?